Wow, look at that beautiful gray sky, cloudy sky. Isn't that awesome? Yeah, that's what it's like in the early spring in Poland. So hello everybody. Very quick video, very short video, just basically an announcement. I wanted to post something because I haven't really been posting that much lately. And you may remember that I mentioned in a previous video that the screen on my computer exploded basically, and I had to send it in for repair. $1,200, actually almost $1,300 to fix it. And it was super eye-watering, super painful, because a lot of laptops don't even cost that much brand new. But there's great news. They messaged me and said that they were able to get an external monitor hooked up to it, which means they were able to navigate and save the files that I needed. So hopefully by Monday of next week, I will have all of that footage. And that's all the footage that I took during my last trip to the States, where I was really working my tail off. Got a lot of stuff done and have some kind of unique content for you guys, a little bit different than some of the stuff that I posted before. But my usual schedule is to upload like on Monday and Thursdays, and you haven't been hearing much from me just because of this whole computer thing. So I just wanted to let you know that I'm still with it, and as soon as I get my computer next week, I'm going to start uploading all of that cool stuff from my last trip. So another thing that I've got going on is that I purchased a trailer because I need to be able to transport antiques. So one of my hopes is to import antiques from Eastern Europe, Cold War era type stuff, industrial furniture, collectible stuff, that kind of thing. And I needed a trailer to be able to go pick it up. And so I got this guy. And it's a lightweight aluminum 2-axle trailer, and it hooks up behind our SUV. And that means that a lot of things are falling into place. I have the building in Central Illinois. I have an old metal shed, which I've shown on the channel before, but it's the exact square footage of a 40-foot international shipping container. So it's shorter, obviously, but it's also much wider. So, and then it's on the vertical axis, it's also a little bit shorter. So in a shipping container, I would have a little more headroom. But if I can just pack this building completely full, I'm 80 to 90% of what would fit in an international ISO shipping container. And I have another little spillover building there to fill up. And then when those two are full, I know I'm ready for a container. So I'm a little over halfway there. So it takes a lot of time and a lot of money in order to, just to buy the stuff to put in there, because you can fit a lot in one of those containers. So yeah, I've got a trailer here now. So I've got transport around Europe. There's a skeleton and a tarp that goes with it that is on, it's been ordered for it. So it'll actually be enclosed. And then I'm working on all of the details and information about how to ship the stuff to the building in Charleston. And I have the place for storage there. I basically have everything I need to get a little business going. So super exciting. Yeah, and just show you one thing that came in the mail today. And so I just wanted to show you a little thing that just came in the mail. These are sports scorecards, scoreboards, and they're vintage, they're homemade, and they have these steel plates, these rings. Somebody made them out of rebar, and they look like they're, they've got a little age to them, and super unique and interesting. I found them online and they weren't very much money, but I just thought they would be super collectible for somebody who's into like vintage sports collection or whatever. And the cool thing is that it's a pair of them. So yeah, that's really neat. Oh, we got some construction going on there. So that's about it for today. I don't really have anything to post until I get my computer back, but it's been 7 days since I posted last. And I knew that I just wanted to touch base with you guys and let you know that I'm still with it. So hopefully I'll have that next week, and it'll be back to 2 videos a week. So, all right, take care. See you soon.